kids, guess what? It's time for science! And this is Myrtle the scientist. See? Scientist. Scientist. He's going to be assisting me today. Come on, Myrtle. Come on over here. So, anyway, Myrtle and I... Myrtle won't sit up. Go away, Myrtle. Myrtle and I are going to be learning about sound with you today. And we have already learned that sound is made from vibrations. Oh, that's cool, huh? Vibrations. So, if we want sound, we have to have something vibrating. Well, you've learned that it can travel through your solids because it traveled through your desk and your books. Solid! This is a solid. So, Myrtle. Can you hear me? Myrtle! So, yeah, it travels through solids. Well, it also travels through liquids. And it travels through gases. Let me tell you how and why. And then you're going to decide which one it travels best through. Sound travels through sound waves after the vibrations start. And the vibrations start at one end of something, and they travel to the other end. So if I'm holding this to my ear, the sound travels from here to here to here to here to here to here to in my ear. This is a lot like a solid because all those molecules are packed real close together, so it creates a solid piece of wood. This is like liquid because the molecules are close, kind of like this. See, blow, 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 and it's still making noise. And this is like gas, so the molecules go over, and look at those. They're really far apart. Solid, gas, solid, gas, liquid. So, solid, liquid, gas. What's sound going to travel best through? That's the question that you have to find out today. That is what you are trying to decide. What does sound travel best through? We'll see.